I'll show you what I'm working on today. I'm building a brace for my diesel pump on my new diesel tank. This will bolt onto the skids, and it will extend the skids out a few inches, and then my pump will come up. It elbows down there and comes up and will rest on the edge of this, and then I've got a U-bolt. I'll clamp that 2-inch pipe to, so I can give it some support, kind of a bump bar kind of a deal. Just made it out of angle iron, 1/4 inch, 3-inch by 3/4. Just kind of getting her done. Maybe it'll give it some support, and I'm fixing to, I got 3 more holes to cut with a plasma torch, and I'll go in for lunch. Then I'm going to rest for a minute, then we're going to go play golf here in a little while. So it's already pretty hot, and I hate working out in the sun. So we'll save that for first thing in the morning, right after daylight. And what I'm trying to do is trying to get all my welding done out here in the shop, so I don't have to crank my portable welder. All I'll do is run this cutting torch out there and cut 6 holes and bolt it on, and cut 2 more for that U-bolt, and I'll be ready to go. Finish plumbing on that thing, and we can start drawing off that semi-load of fuel out there. Got my Millermatic 250 wire welder running 75-25, I believe, gas and nitrogen. Yeah, no, carbon dioxide and argon. Yeah, running 035 wire, and running my plasma torch. Man, I wouldn't give for those, man. They're awesome. Let me do some fine welding. Don't have to grind much at all. So there you are. That's what we're doing today. Yeah, not too bad with the torch. All done for the day. That one there's a little ag boy welder. Rest of them not too bad. I was having trouble with my wire welder. Every time I go to doing a project, I've got to tune on my wire welder. Either change the tip or put oil in the little wick or something. But we got her all set and got her going good. For the most part, it did pretty good.